Okay, here's Bracketies. He's doing the wavy thing, the wavy style. The little polka dot. He's got the fence around it. Very cool. See what the bear's got going. Oh, she's got polka dot, butterfly. Oh man, the birds are gonna love that one. See what the back says. Another butterfly in the sun and a fence and flowers. Oh my God, so cool.
You forgot about the horse.
Oh, the horse?
There.
I didn't even see the horse. Ah, there is a horse. So cool. Let's see what Everett's got going on here. Oh, he's got the red house. There's a red house over yonder.
And just so you know, I'm not
And he's
finished,
got like
so
stuff
you're
on the
gonna need to
front.
come back later.
Very well done. Very well done.